Cyclic sighing, the fastest and also the most effective technique to instantaneously reduce stress and anxiety in less than 15 seconds. Goes like this. So you inhale relatively fast, double inhalation, and then you exhale very slowly. Usually solving any problem in life would either be fast but with less optimal results or take long term to deliver acceptable results. Not in this case. This technique is both at the same time. A research from 2023 has compared different breathing techniques with meditation and other techniques for mindfulness. The winner was cyclic sighing, which was very effective at toning down the sympathetic nervous system and bringing down the heartbeats and respiratory rate. The research states cyclic sighing produced the highest daily improvement in positive affect as well as the highest reduction of respiratory rate, both significantly different from mindfulness meditation. We are all, so to speak, swimming in chronic high cortisol levels due to, from one side, having no plan to lower stress, and from the other side, due to the many factors such as bad quality sleep, blue light, cell phones, EMF, and the list goes on. Therefore, arming ourselves with multiple and efficient techniques to lower stress and anxiety is a must. It goes like this. You inhale double times and then you exhale very slowly. The stop at the inhalation phase, you can do it at halfway of the range of motion of the breathing or at 3/4. That's it. Try it. You will be amazed. Like this content? Subscribe now and hit the bell for instant notification. Thank you very much for watching.